Want to know what stocks are likely to go up if Kamala Harris gets elected as the new president? Well, in this video, I've got 4 of them for you, and you should take a look at them because it makes some sense. It's quite a different list from if Trump gets elected or even if RFK gets elected. Kamala Harris has her own set of things. So the first one is Nphase. So taking a look at Nphase, you can see Nphase is it's a good stock. It's in they do inverters for solar. And the stock has actually been on quite a little bit of a downtrend. I mean, I think it hit almost $300, and it's now sitting just over $100. So if you've been holding this for a while, you've been feeling the heat, right? Well, that's because the energy sector is a little bit out of favor. This was in favor and on fire for a while last year, but now it's kind of slowed down. If the Democrats get elected in both the House, the Senate, and then also the third part is the presidency, we're talking about a huge boon for green energy. And so one of the greatest stocks in there is Nphase. It's in a very long consolidation going on here, and there is a little breakout point right here at 144. I don't know when it's going to break out. It's got a lot of work to do to get there. The next stock is a European play. It's AstraZeneca, and they are sitting at pretty close to all-time highs, maybe in anticipation of a win. But AZN is running a tight ship, and so that company looks like it could be doing pretty well as well. By the way, if you want to learn how to check out breakout stocks, or if you want to make income from stocks, one of the best ways to do it is to write covered calls. I've got a little commercial coming up right now. If you want to skip it, you can jump ahead 1 minute, and it should jump you right ahead to the next stock.
Hey, it's Mark Yegi here to tell you about our cash flow machine trading program that's designed to teach you how to make safe, reliable income. Now, we shoot for 2 to 4% a month of income and growth in your portfolio. And we have courses to teach you how to do this yourself or inside a mastermind community. And the best part of that is it only takes about 20 minutes a week to implement. Now, while 2 to 4% a month doesn't sound like much, I show you exactly how we took my IRA from $111,000 to over $500,000 in just 19 months without huge risk. I'm not telling you this to brag, just to show you that you can do this too. So to learn more about this program, go to cashflowmachine.io. That's cashflowmachine.io, and you can learn more.
Okay, the next one is ASML Holding, and this company has been doing really well. It's still in an uptrend, although it's corrected inside that uptrend as some of the semiconductors like NVIDIA have come back, AMD, Intel, things like that. It's in the same business, and this is another one of those companies that could take advantage of the European presence and go higher. Finally, we have Palantir. Now, Palantir is an interesting stock. This thing went from 40 all the way down to $5-6. And now it's been in an uptrend for a couple of years now, and it's looking like it really wants to be strong. This is a beautiful candle that it has right here, and once it breaks that candle, it's looking like it wants to go to this all-time high just above $45. And it's in the cybersecurity business. Cybersecurity is becoming a much more important business. These guys are pretty politically connected, so they got government contracts and all kinds of things like that. Palantir is one of those stocks that could take advantage of Kamala Harris gets elected. So I hope you like that list. Keep an eye on it, or maybe look for a good place to enter. This is education and not financial advice, but it's certainly part of your education to learn and do some research. So I hope it helps, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.